Hi, my name's Dan Oakes. I'm the creator of Cookin', and I'm going to show you a cool way for you to customize your recipes. First, I'm going to tap My Recipes on the bottom navigation bar, and then I'm going to drill down into the Desserts chapter, and I saw this birthday party ice cream cake roll. And there's not a birthday coming up, but it's hot outside, and it looked really yummy and refreshing. And I noticed that in this recipe it calls for 1/3 cup cake flour, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Now what's interesting is if you tap on the More Options button in the top right corner here and choose Edit Recipe, you can see those ingredients again. And I'm going to tap right here where it says 2 tablespoons cornstarch, and in this Edit Ingredients screen, the unit tablespoon is actually spelled out instead of abbreviated. And that's by design. We abbreviate it on these screens because there's limited space when you're looking at recipes on your phone. What you may not know is that's something you can customize. Check this out. In the Cookin' desktop app, just go up here and click View, and then Units, and you can edit the unit tablespoon. There it is, and you can change the abbreviation. I'm going to change this to a capital T period. I'm going to click Save. Then I'm going to edit the unit teaspoon. I'm going to change this to a lowercase t, and I'm going to edit the unit cups and change this to a capital C. So now that I've changed the unit abbreviations, I'm going to go ahead and click the sync button on the toolbar here to sync my changes to the Cookin' Cloud. Then I'm going to go back to the Cookin' mobile app. I'm going to tap Sync on the bottom navigation bar and Sync Now so I can get those changes that I made. And now when I go back to my recipes and open this recipe again, you'll see that the unit cups appears as a capital C, tablespoons appears as a capital T, and teaspoon appears as a lowercase t. So if you prefer your unit abbreviations to be something different than the default, now you can totally customize that in the desktop app. Man, you're a cooking pro now!